There we go. So we really just want to be able to solve or rearrange equations for whatever variable we need. All right, y'all. How do I get k by itself? What's on the same side as the k? How do I get that to the other side? My only options are add, subtract, multiply, and divide. We do. We're going to subtract a. Can u and a go together? No. So it's just u minus a equals what's left? Okay, that's it. You're done. What if I gave you this is an alpha. I need some letters. Let's go with G. How do I get the F by itself? What do I need to move? The G, how do I move it? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide? What does this mean?
Divide.
We divide, because that's multiplication. So to undo multiplication, we do division. So then my answer is just F equals alpha over G. What if I had a fraction? Oh, you can't even see what I'm writing. What if I had a fraction? You're good. What do I do next, you guys? First of all, what do I want by itself?
The V.
The V. I want just the V. You can sharpen your pencil, don't worry. I want just that V by itself. So, right now, what is the V doing? What is it? Adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? It's multiplied with the 5. What else is it doing with this? How do I get it off the bottom? What's the opposite of division? Multiplication. So we're going to multiply both sides by V. Now I don't have to move the 5, so I'm leaving the 5 behind. What's V divided by V? You just cross it out. And this, you just always put that coefficient in the front. Do you guys know what coefficient means? It just means the number. So this is going to be 2, and then you just put it in alphabetical order. So the K goes first, then the V. This side, we still have what on top? The 3. What else is on top? What's on the bottom? Good. Now what do we want by itself? What do I need to move that's on the same side as the V? 2 and? I need to move that whole group. Where do I want to move it to? The other side, right? What's happening right now? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? How do we undo multiplication? Divide by 2k. Divide by 2k. So what's the left side left? What's left on the left side? Just a V. What's going to be 3u times 1? What's that going to make? 3 what? Thank you. What's on the bottom? 5 times 2k. What does that make? 10K. Am I going too fast? We're going okay speed? All right. Marvin, let's say we're going to solve for A. Marvin, can you tell me my first step? Subtract what? What do I want by itself? What? The A. What's on the same side as the A? We can't. Because that 4 is multiplied, we want to get rid of this first. How do I move this guy to the other side? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Because right now it's adding. So we're going to subtract C. Diego? Can those go together? So what do I write down? Shh. Good. Alvarez, does the order matter? No, I could have done the C first and then the 3. Lisandro, what do I do next to get my A by itself? By what? Now make sure you do both of the things. See how I did one big fraction bar under that whole side? Now just so that you're aware, I could also write this as negative 3 over 4 minus C over 4. They could write it both of those ways is fine. They could also write it negative 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4C. Those are all the same. I don't care how you write it. I just want you to be able to recognize it no matter what they do, okay? We're practicing. These are actually pre-algebra skills, but we're practicing this to help you get your basic foundation strong. Tell me when you're ready. I'm going to turn the page for the next one because I only have like 2 lines left. Okay. Let's say that you have now this is tricky. Whenever I do a T and a plus line can look the same. So I always do my plus sign so the sides are equal. It's as fat as it is tall. And I do my T's with a curve on the tail. Does that make sense? You're going to use T's a lot in science. T is almost always time.
Let's say negative 12.
Mm-hmm. Solve for A. Michael, can you tell me what you think we should do first?
Get rid of the 12.
What do we want? What letter are we looking for? Okay. Is that A on top or bottom?
No, it's on the bottom.
How do we get it up?
Multiply both sides by 8.
Good job. Angel, tell me what I have left on the left side, okay? Tell me what to write down. Good.
3
Where does it go?
at the bottom.
Okay. 2t over 3. Good, because those a's crossed out. Jose, tell me what's on the right side. Yeah, negative 12a. Lara, tell me how to finish.
Divide by 3.
Divide by what?
Divide by 3.
What's with my a?
Plus.
Mm-hmm. So what are we going to do with the negative 12? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide?
Divide.
Why are we dividing?
And
Because those are multiplied. So to undo this multiplication, we divide by negative 12. So I'm just literally going to put the negative 12 on the bottom over here. Because that's still division, right? It's on the bottom, it's division. Those 12s are going to cross out. Marvin, can we reduce this side at all? Can we put anything together or cancel anything out? What can we do? The 3 and the what? What's that make? Good. Diego, can we reduce the 2 and the 36? Can you take 2 out of 36? Okay, so I'm thinking of this. 2 times what is negative 36? Anybody want to help him out?
18.
What kind of 18? Good. Now what can we do with those 2's? That's your answer. A equals t over negative 18. What if we give you something a little bit different? What if it doesn't have a fraction? Mauricio, what do I do? Sorry, Alvarez. What do I do? What's my first step? I want to move the 6 over with the v. What do we need to get out? What's on the same side as the v that we need to move to the other side? How do I move it? Subtract. Miss Sandra, what do I do now?
So you divide by 3 on both sides.
Angel, what's 6 divided by 3?
So you put it down with the number.
Oh, no, you're good, you're good. I appreciate you. I'm just over here enjoying the process and forget that y'all can't see sometimes. That's it. That's literally it. There's only one other that looks different, but it's the same process. Give me any number that you like.
4.
Bigger than 10.
4.
35 it is. Give me any letter that you don't usually use in math. Q? Any other letter? What's a letter you use in physics all the time? You use V a lot? Okay, give me any number that doesn't go into 35. So you can't use 5 or 7. 9 it is. And I'm going to put a negative on it, okay? You're going to solve for, let's go Q. I like Q. It's kind of a fun letter. Okay. What do we need to move? What's with the Q right now? Okay, how do I move it? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide? What else do I need to move? What else is with the Q? Okay, how do I get rid of the 35? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Divide. So since I'm doing the same thing, I'm going to do it at the same time. Cancel. I've got Q equals negative 9 over 35V, and you're done. Is that pretty easy? Okay. Your assignment is already on Canvas. Yeah, it's on Canvas. It's also in CUDA. I posted it, so you should access it. I want to see your step-by-step process. If you don't like your score, I'm happy to reset it and let you try again. Best, of course. Best of luck. Yep, it's in CUDA.